Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make this beautiful yummy coconut bowl with grilled chicken, some avocado mango salsa, black beans, and some toasted cashews. It's so delicious, it's so healthy, perfect for a summer dinner. Let's go ahead and get straight to the recipe. As usual, I will list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. So to cook my rice, I am using white basmati rice. To cook my rice, 2 cups of water, a teaspoon of salt, and a cup of coconut milk. And go ahead and bring it to a boil with 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using Irish butter, and 3 to 4 bay leaves. And go ahead and bring it to a boil. When it boils, rinse your rice and go ahead and put it in there and let it cook. It's gonna be very fluffy, very delicious. So my ratio when cooking rice is a little bit different. So after you added the rice and the water, let the water dry down. When it reduces, go ahead and lower your heat to simmer and cover it and let it steam. And that's how the rice is gonna cook, and it's gonna be very fluffy, it's gonna be delicious. I usually let my rice steam for a very long time, and I use less water. This is it right there. Beautiful, very fluffy, very delicious. So now let's go ahead and make the avocado mango salsa. So I'm using this green mango. I'm not using one that is too ripe. It's perfect. Don't use one that is overripe, or use one that is pretty green. If you have a peeler, use it. I have a peeler, but it's just the Haitian in me, honestly, Anyways, go ahead and peel your mango and then cut. We're gonna dice it, okay? We're gonna dice it. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grill my mango a little bit. You don't have to do that. You can absolutely skip this step. I find it to be very appealing, and that it also give it a really good taste too. I love the little smoky taste. So go ahead, grill your mango for 15 seconds, 30 seconds on the grill, just a little bit. And once it's grilled like that, go ahead and remove it and go ahead and dice it up. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna transfer everything to the bowl. The jalapeno peppers, the tomatoes, the purple onion, the white onion, and the cilantro. I'm gonna add all that to the bowl. This is jalapeno peppers, not green bell peppers. I repeat, jalapenos, okay? So go ahead and dice it up and transfer that mango. You see, it's beautiful. It looks really good, right? Yeah. So go ahead and dice it up and transfer it to the bowl. Oh, it's so beautiful. So now we're gonna go ahead and dice up our avocado. So dice the avocado whatever way you find easy for you. Oh my god, this avocado is perfect. It looks like it was raised by 2 parents, a mom and a dad. Perfect. I'm kidding. That sounded really bad because sometimes kids are raised by 1 parent and they come out pretty good. Anyways, let's move on. So yeah, dice the avocado however you like, whatever way it's easy for you. That way was easy for me, so that's how I diced it. And go ahead and bring it to your bowl also. So now let's go ahead and season our veggies. So a tablespoon of lime juice, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a tablespoon of honey. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper, and some red pepper flakes. That's totally optional because I removed the seeds and the jalapeno pepper, so there's not much heat. So the pepper flakes give it a nice look and also give it some heat. But it wasn't like, oh my god, so much heat. And I also added 1/4 teaspoon of creole seasoning because I put that shit on everything. Go ahead and stir it. It looks so beautiful. Give it a nice stir. Oh, this will be so good on a fish taco. Oh my goodness, wow. Whether the fish taco is grilled or fried, it would just be amazing on it. Oh my god, I just can imagine the flavors bursting in my mouth. Wow, amazing. It looks so good. Wow. Okay, go ahead and give it a nice stir, and boom, you got your avocado mango salsa. Now set your salsa aside and let's prepare the chicken. So I'm using breast chicken, of course, TD chicken. It's almost 3 pounds, roughly 3 pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these extra fats and really ugly looking stuff. Make the chicken look good. Be sure to rinse your chicken with some vinegar and some lime juice if you want to. That's totally up to you, but me being me, I have to do that. It's crucial. It's a crucial step. Okay, so go ahead and we're gonna slice it into two, so that way it can cook evenly. Okay, so it's not too thick. So go ahead and slice your chicken into two, the chicken breast, just like so. So after you've sliced it, we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning the most fun stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So see, it's pretty thin. So go ahead, I'm seasoning my chicken with 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon granules, a teaspoon of Montreal chicken seasoning. I can't even speak. Jesus Christ. And a teaspoon of creole seasoning because I put that shit on everything. Half a teaspoon of chili powder because it's necessary. And 2 tablespoons of Lawry's garlic and herb marinade. Yes, I love Lawry's and herb. There's usually this herb and there's this marinade I used to find in BJ's from, I think it's from BJ's. If that brand is from BJ's, but I cannot find it anymore. It was always hard to find. And a teaspoon of lime juice, but I cannot find it. Once I find you guys, I'll put you on it. That's one of the best marinades ever. I used to use it on everything. Some freshly cracked black pepper, about half a teaspoon. I love freshly cracked black pepper. I love the taste, honestly. Oh my god, the peppercorn we get in Haiti and the peppercorn here are so much different. Lord, like I used to taste it. I love the taste of black pepper, but be careful because black pepper gives you heartburn. Yep, it does. Anyways, go ahead and marinate that. Make sure everything is coated. So the chicken is pretty thin. Go ahead and you're gonna let it marinate for, half an hour to 45 to an hour. If you have an hour, give it an hour. If you have more too, perfect, but we don't have that much time. So let's go ahead and toast our cashews. I am just toasting cashews because I love cashews. That's totally optional. You can skip this step. Like, does it make it tastier? Not really. I love cashews. I put it on everything, honestly. So yeah, and it looks so good. It makes it a lot more healthier. So yeah, that's why I kind of added it to it. I love toasted cashews anyways, but skip that if you want to. It's not necessary. So go ahead and toast your cashews for 30 seconds on high heat, and that's it. So let's go ahead and prepare our black beans. In the hot pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to go ahead and add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. And then I'm using canned beans. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I'm using canned beans because, yes, it's organic, so I guess that makes it okay. But yes, we're using black beans, canned. So go ahead and transfer your black beans in that pan. Usually I rinse my black beans, so I rinsed the rest. So so after I added some of that, the rest I was like, oh shit, I forgot to rinse it. So I went ahead and rinsed it. So yes, I did that, but you can skip that if you want to. Yes, go ahead and add your beans, and now we're gonna go ahead and season it with some black pepper, some adobo Goya. And that's all for the black beans. Yeah, that's all. Perfect. Amazing. The garlic is enough, and the olive oil is just enough flavors. You don't need too much, you know. We're gonna keep it simple. So let's go ahead and grill that chicken. So in your grill pan, I'm using a grill pan because that's what I have. If I had an outside, if I had a backyard, I'd probably using a charcoal grill because that's the best thing to use. Anyways, with my grill pan, the perfect grill pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil and go ahead, place your chicken gently. Place your chicken on the pan, the side you're gonna serve. Make sure that's the side you place it on first because that's the side you're gonna serve. That's gonna be the most beautiful looking side. Okay, so go ahead and do that. So we're gonna grill the chicken 3 minutes on each side because they're cut pretty thin. We don't need to keep them long, and keeping them, overcooking them is gonna making them dry. So 3 minutes on each side. And if you have a thermometer, go ahead and use that to check the temperature of your chicken. 135 up, the chicken is cooked. So go ahead and flip it side. After that 3 minutes, make sure your chicken are cut pretty thin. If it's a little bit thicker, then it means more time. So we're gonna go ahead and add that sauce on top of it after the chicken is cooked. The last 30 seconds, the last 30 to 40 seconds, we're gonna add that sauce. About 4 tablespoons of that sauce and 3 tablespoons of Irish butter because Irish butter is life. I love Irish butter. Yes. Extra. Oh my god, Irish butter is so rich, it's so creamy, it's so delicious. I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that little butter to it. Ooh, make it silky and oh lord, yes. And go ahead and glaze it with that sauce and the butter. Let's spread it all over it. Yes, go ahead and base it with it. Just like so. So this is the last 30 to 45 seconds. Once you've added your butter, you baste it with the butter and the sauce. Go ahead, your chicken is ready now. It's ready. Take it out, take it off the heat because we don't want to leave it on the heat so it doesn't start drying up because we want our chicken to be juicy. We want all the juices to remain in there, okay? We want it to be juicy and tender. So let's go ahead and start making our bowl. You guys, this is the chicken grilled. It's so beautiful. Imagine if this was grilled on a charcoal grill. Oh god, I cannot wait the day I have a charcoal grill. I can grill outside. Lord, wow, so beautiful. Ooh. Anyway, you guys, if you have not, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Of course, if you like this type of content, you know, that is if you do, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and thank you in advance for doing so. Oh, so this is the final product, you guys. This is the bowl, the coconut rice with grilled chicken, black beans, avocado mango salsa, toasted cashew with a little bit of cilantro topped. Wow, it's, oh my god, you guys, you need to try this, okay? It's super yummy. Oh lord. Anyways, you guys, I would like to say thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you try this recipe. Thanks.